So Denis, hi.
Hey there, how's it going?
We are here on the Zynaptiq booth.
At the NAMM show
At
in
the NAMM
Anaheim,
show.
California, 2022.
And you're going to show us some new stuff, right?
Yes! For the very first time ever, we're showing version 3 of Triumph, which is a sample editor that we recently acquired, well, recently in terms of the pandemic, you know, like 2 years ago, from the previous publisher, Architect. It's a Mac application that we're gearing very specifically towards sound design because that's something we're kind of good at. So we've built in all sorts of cool shit like morphing and vocoding. Yep, the Orange Vocoder for vocoding and the Morph 2 morphing. Our ZTX time stretching and pitch shifting. A really cool new take on the Akai cyclic time stretching from back in the day for the drum and bass people here. And we've turned all that into a super powerful and very fast way to create new audio assets on the fly at any channel count and any sampling rate. Let me show you a really quick example. So here is a vocal.
Inject me in your bloodstream, feel me flowing through your veins.
And here is one of my best new friends. It's called the F1 button. Your keyboard has it too. It's an inconspicuous looking black little button and it's right next to F2. Now if you press it, in this case, look at what the app is doing. It's starting to do all sorts of processing and layering and cutting stuff up and creating a really far out processing sequence for this file with one button press. That would otherwise take like probably an hour or something to do. So here we go, the results.
Inject me in your bloodstream, feel me flowing through your veins. Cruising through your system.
So how does that get to that point? What input have you kind of given it aside from the vocal sample?
I gave it one sample. And I generated a square wave and a sawtooth wave. In the app, it has a generator where you can just like, you know, generate some basic stuff. Let me revert the document real quick so that you can see that in a more step-by-step manner. So again, pressing a good friend of number F1 key, I press F5. This one here, it's a really cool key because it generates a sawtooth wave at 60 hertz. Yeah, so very interesting. Never heard that one before, I guess. Now all I need to do, and in Triumph, because of how the app is designed to morph that with the vocal, is activate the morphing. So I don't have to go patching stuff around using side chains or aux sends. No. Because we use a layering system where the tracks, or AKA layers, are always sequentially combined with each other, I really just need to change the combination mode, which we call layer blending, from mixing to something more exciting like morphing. And then I press play.
Feel me flowing through your veins.
Morph. Or I select one of the Orange Vocoder modes that we've added.
Your system like a missile.
And then I'm done. That makes it really, really quick and convenient to try all sorts of far out hybridizing thingies you can do with audio. Also, what I've been using for that script earlier is, let me show you with this little sequence of audio. I can bring up our Cyclic Stretch, which is the 2022 take on the old Akai style stretching. Let me add some of that. It'll sound like this. And when I like what I'm hearing with any of these processors, I click the Create Custom Action button. I can give it a name like, say, Jimmy the Third. Cool name, huh? Give it a key command like, let's say, Shift Command B. And from then on, all I need to do to get exactly this effect with these settings applied to my selection is hit that key command. So using that, I can make all my favorite processing moves be instantaneously available on a button click, which turns the whole program into a very powerful means of generating a lot of content really quickly at a very high quality. Thank you for stopping by the booth. See you soon.
Is this available now?
Ah, forgot that part. No, it's going to take 200 years to ship like Orange Vocoder. No, we're shipping it next month as part, exclusively available as part of the Mac Audio Applications bundle that also includes our well-known Myriad batch processor and the Spectre analysis, network audio analysis tool set, and the Loop Editor loop authoring utility. They come as a bundle. They're all M1 native from the get-go. So yes, we have been working on Apple Silicon support across our entire product range. This is native from the get-go, and it's really, really cool.
And what is the price on that?
$1 million and a kidney. No, the pricing is to be defined. What I do know is that we've got the upgrade pricing done, and we're very lenient about upgrades because we are software users ourselves, and there's nothing as annoying as, I bought this thing a while back and now there's no upgrade path, or it's like really expensive, or it's like I need to upgrade to this first so I can go there. None of that. No. If you ever had any application by audiophile engineering or architect, even the predecessors discontinued 20 years ago, like Wave Editor, Sample Manager, Spectre, Aura, Odapter, any of those, you get to upgrade to the full bundle at $99.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Well,
So-
Denis, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great show.